now. Student, in last class we studied about the electric potential and we remember all the formulas related to this V equal to Kq upon R, E is equal to Kq upon R square. That is the relation. We can find the relation between electric potential and electric field. Okay. Now today I am going to teach you electric potential energy. What do you actually mean by electric potential energy? As you know that first we go through again the term potential. Student, electric potential energy of a charge. Yes, it is very important. Electric potential energy of a charge. Okay. When is defined as assemble the charges. Yes, assemble the charges at their particular location. Assemble the charges at particular location from infinity. The amount of work done is known as electric potential energy. Okay, student? I am again repeating. Electric potential energy of a charge is defined as assembling the charge from infinity to a particular location. That energy, that work done is known as potential energy. That means electric potential energy. Student, suppose there is a Q1 charge. Okay, just explain the Q1 charge. It means it is spreading the field lines all over, just like that. Okay, but when we are talking about the potential, what does it mean? In this field, we are moving a charge from one point to another point, and that work is done, that is known as potential. Okay, and if we are bringing any charge, consider the test charge. If we are bringing any charge, we are considered as a test charge, from infinity to inside this field. That is known as electric potential difference. Okay, but here, suppose we are talking about only a Q1 charge. It means it has only the electric field of its own. We know that. And we are moving, suppose we are moving this charge from this to this and this to this, from this point to this point. What does it mean? It means we are moving the charge in his same field. I think you got it. Okay? The same charge. We are not taking the another charge here. We are just moving that charge in this field. Then what done? Obviously, zero. Why? Because work is done only when we bringing another charge inside the electric field against this field. That work is done, that known as the potential. Okay, but here we are moving the same charge. Now, so consider plus 2 charge at point, what we do, point A, consider point A. At point A. Now, we have to find energy of that charge. How we can find it? Just remember all terminology. By getting this, suppose we have to find, yes, at point P2. Okay? The potential and distance R. Distance R. So what is the potential? What is the potential at P2? Yes. What is the potential at P2? Yes, answer it. KQ upon, good. Answer is B1. We can say P1. K Q1 upon R. That is the potential. We are not talking the water. Okay? Potential. Now, if we bring another charge Q2 here and write here, okay? Another charge Q2 from infinity. If I bring another charge Q2 from infinity, that Q2 at infinity from at P point P2 against the electric field lines of charge Q1, then naturally we have to do some work. I think you got it. And what is the work it is? Always remember one thing. W equal to, you already know W equal to, yes, what? Charge into potential. Good. Then if we are bringing the charge Q2 from infinity to point 2, then we have to do work. Why? Because we are bringing the charge Q2 in the field of charge Q1. So definitely we have to do work. And what is the work? W equal to, we have mentioned W2 here, no problem. W2 equal to charge. Which charge? Q2 bringing inside which electric field of this, and here is potential into potential V1. So what is our result? W2 equal to K Q1 R1 into just Q2. That is our work. Okay? Now, the problem creates here about what is the total work and how we can find the potential energy. So we can say that the amount of work done is stored as a potential energy. So simply we can find add the total energy W1 plus W2 and we get our result. Simply potential energy U equal to W1 plus W2. The work done by only charge, there is no, okay, that is 0, and plus W2 K Q1 Q2 upon R square, R, then U equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R. That is our potential energy. Okay, students? By this we can find the potential energy of two system charges. Now we have to find the potential energy which is more than two systems. Now friend, we have to find the more than two charge. Here is Q1. If we bring a charge Q2 here, the distance is R12. Then what is the work done? W1, W equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R12. Suppose if we are bringing charge Q3 here is R13, then what is the result? W, we can write W3 equal to K Q1 Q3, or we can write W dash, W double dash, whatever, upon R13. Now we are bringing, suppose we have to find the system, potential energy of the system, then just W triple dash equal to K Q1, here is we are taking R23, so Q1, Q2, Q3 upon Q3. By adding all, we get the total energy. W equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R12 plus K Q1 Q3 upon R13 plus K Q2 Q3 upon R23. But we can find the energy of a system. Okay students, that's all for today. Thank you.